How to fix birthdays notification not showing on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix the birthday notification not showing in your Facebook account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Facebook app and get logged into your Facebook account. Tap onto your profile and scroll below, expand the option of settings and privacy. Then go on to settings. Now at this page, scroll below and under preferences, tap open the option that says notifications. Now under here, you will see birthdays. Tap the option and make sure you toggle on that says allow notifications on Facebook. Once you allow this option, you will receive notification of all of your friends' birthdays. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.